Good morning students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, linear equations in one variable. Consider this statement. 3x plus 9 is equal to 36. Here an equal to sign separates two different expressions on its either side. Now what are expressions? Expressions are the combination of constants, variables and fundamental operations of mathematics, that is plus, minus, multiplication and division. Okay, the expression on the left hand side has a variable x and its power is 1. What is a variable? A variable is something which does not have a fixed value. Any value can be assigned to a variable. Okay, the statement having equivalent expressions on either side of an equal to sign is called an equation. As you already know, the equal to sign denotes equality. Okay, so when two expressions are separated by equal to sign, that means those two are equivalent. Okay, and this statement becomes an equation. An equation having only one variable with its higher power as 1 is called linear equation in one variable. Okay, now we will learn how to solve a linear equation in one variable. To solve a linear equation, we follow the steps below. First example is 6x minus 5 is equal to 4x plus 7. Now here you see there are two expressions on either side of the equation, 6x minus 5 and 4x plus 7, and both have a variable x. Now how to solve it? So first what we do, we transfer all the terms having a variable to one side and all the constant terms to one side. Now what are terms? Terms are separated by plus sign or minus sign. Okay, they are not separated by division or multiplication sign. Okay, so 4x will be transferred to LHS, that is left hand side, and 5 will be transferred to RHS, that is right hand side. Now how will they be transferred? When we transfer any term to, across the equal to sign, its sign changes, and this process is known as transposition. Okay, so here 4x is having plus sign, so it will become minus when it goes to LHS, and 5 is having minus sign, that is negative sign, so when it will go to RHS it will become positive. Okay, so it will become 6x minus 4x is equal to 7 plus 5. Now 6x and 4x are like terms. Now what are like terms? Like terms are the terms which have same variable with the same power. Okay, so here both are having x, and in both x is having the power is 1. Okay, so these two are like terms. Now how do we solve like terms? See, we see the numerical coefficients of the term. So the numerical coefficient of 6x is 6 and the numerical coefficient of 4x is 4. So we take the numerical coefficients and whatever sign is given in between, we solve it that way. Okay, so 6x minus 4x will become 2x, and because 6 minus 4 is 2 and 7 plus 5 will be 12. So 2x is equal to 12. Now here see the sign between 2 and x is multiplication. Okay, so when 2 will go to the right hand side, its sign will change into division. Okay, so it will become x is equal to 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6 by transposition. Now you observe that the plus sign is changed into minus sign, the minus sign is changed into plus sign, the multiplication sign is changed into division sign, and division sign is changed into multiplication sign. Okay, so our answer is 6 in this case. Next example, x plus 1 plus 5x by 6 is equal to 11 by 9 plus 7x by 3. So here also we will do the same thing. We will first transfer all the terms having a variable on left hand side and all the terms which are constant on right hand side. So x plus 5 by 6 minus 7x by 3. So 7x by 3 has plus sign in RHS, so it will become negative in LHS, and 11 by 9 minus 1. Okay, so we'll take the LCM now. Okay, so LCM of LHS will be 6, so it will be 6x plus 5x minus 14x by 6 is equal to 11 minus 9 by 9 by taking LCM. Now you see that in the numerator of the LHS we have all the like terms, right? So we can solve them. Okay, so 6 plus 5 is 11, minus 14 is minus 3, so it will be minus 3 by 6 and it will be 2 by 9. In RHS it will be 2 by 9. So minus 3x by 6 is equal to 2 by 9. Okay, so now you will cross multiply and you will send 6 to RHS. Okay, so when 6 will go to RHS, it will be multiplied because it is being divided, it is dividing minus 3 by x in LHS. So when it will go to RHS, its sign will change to multiplication. So it will become minus 3x is equal to 2 into 6 by 9. Now we have to bring minus 3 also to RHS. Okay, so here multiplication sign is there. So when it will come to RHS, it will become division sign. So we will write it like this: 2 into 6 divided by 9 into minus 3. And when we will solve it, we will get x is equal to minus 4 by 9. Alright, let's take one more example. 3x minus 2 divided by 2x plus 4 is equal to 7 by 6. And here 2x plus 4 cannot be 0. It is not equal to 0 because the denominator can never be 0. Okay, so here in this case, you see in the numerator and denominator of LHS we have expressions. We have expressions having a variable x, right? So what we will do in this case, we will cross multiply. Okay, cross multiply as in 3x minus 2 will be multiplied to 6 and 2x plus 4 will be multiplied to 7. Okay, so 3 into 3x minus 6 into 3x minus 2 is equal to 7 into 2x plus 4. Alright, so here students, giving bracket is very important. Okay, because the whole expression 3x minus 2 will be multiplied to 6. Okay, and the whole expression 2x plus 4 will be multiplied to 7. So don't forget to give the bracket. It is very important. Okay, now using distributive property of multiplication, we will open the bracket. Okay, so 6 into 3x will be 18x, 6 into minus 2 will be minus 12, 7 into 2x will be 14x, and 7 into 4 will be 28. So we will write it like this: 18x minus 12 is equal to 14x plus 28. Okay, now again we will transpose the terms. Okay, so we will bring the terms having x to LHS and the constant terms to RHS. Okay, so 14x will come to LHS and 12 will go to minus 12 will go to RHS. So 18x minus 14x is equal to 28 plus 12. Alright, so now we will again solve it. You know how to solve it now. 4x is equal to 40. Now again 4 will go to RHS with a change in its sign. It is having multiplication sign right now, so it will become division. Okay, so x is equal to 10. Alright, next example. 2x plus 3 divided by 2x plus 1 is equal to 5x plus 2 divided by 5x plus 3. In this case, again you will cross multiply. Okay, so after cross multiplying, we will get this: 2x plus 3 into 5x plus 3 is equal to 5x plus 2 into 2x plus 1. Now here again giving bracket is very important. Okay, now we are having binomials multiplied here. Okay, So how do we multiply binomials? You know that very well. We multiply all the terms of one expression to all the terms of the second expression. Okay, so 2x into 5x will be 10x square, 2x into 3 will be 6x, 3 into 5x will be 15x, and 3 into 3 will be 9, and 5x into 2x will be 10x square again, 5x into 1 will be 5x, 2 into 2x will be 4x, and 2 into 1 will be 4. So it will be written like that: 10x square plus 6x plus 15x plus 9 is equal to 10x square plus 5x plus 4x plus 2. Now you will first solve all the like terms. Okay, you will combine the like terms first. So here in the LHS we have two like terms, 6x and 15x, and in the RHS also we have two like terms, 5x and 4x. So we will combine them. So it will become like this: 10x square plus 21x plus 9 is equal to 10x square plus 9x plus 2. Now we will transpose the terms to LHS and vice versa. Okay, so 10x square will come to LHS, 9x will come to LHS, and 9 will go to RHS. Okay, with the change in its sign. So 10x minus 10x square plus 21x minus 9x is equal to 2 minus 9. Now 10x square minus 10x square will get cancelled, it will become 0. 21x minus 9x will become 12x is equal to minus 7. Okay, now again 12 will go to RHS and it will become the denominator. So x is equal to minus 7 by 12. So I hope you have understood how to solve the linear equations. So I am giving you one assignment. Solve these questions. 3 plus x into 4 minus x divided by 2 plus x into 39 by 9 minus x is equal to 1. 1 by x plus 1 plus 1 by x plus 2 is equal to 18 by 9x plus 13. 3y minus 8 minus 5y divided by 7y minus 3 plus 2y is equal to 2. 4x minus 2 divided by 3 minus 23 by 2 is equal to 13 minus 5 into 7x plus 5 divided by 3. Okay, so this is your question, and one more is there. X plus a by x minus a is equal to b minus a by b plus a. Here variable is x and answer to be found in terms of a and b. So this is your assignment for today. If any doubts are there, you can write in the comment section. Please be safe and have a good day.